Nidhivan, a temple nestled in the holy birthplace of Krishna, Vrindavan has a sense of mystery or miracle attached to it. It is considered to be the holiest place in the country where God literally has an abode. It is said that Lord Krishna comes here every night and performs spiritual activities called as Ras Leela with Radha and all his gopis. Inside the temple, there is a statue of Lord Krishna and Radha beautifully decorated. The surrounding park of the temple is covered with small trees known as Vanatulsi, and as per myth, Swami Haridas was a spiritual and divine sage, a great devotee of Lord Krishna. The dedicated devotion of Haridas compels Sri Krishna to appear in front of him. The place of appearance of Lord Krishna is now called as Prakatya Sthal. It is believed that after the closure of Nidhivan temple, the Lord Krishna and Radha appear and perform Ras Leela, and if anyone sees these activities, the concerned person becomes dumb, deaf, and even blind. The person is not capable of disclosing the activities to anyone in the morning. Inside the Rang Mahal, the priest puts toothbrushes every day, a saris, bangles, pan leaves, and some holy water in jug with few sweets and a ready bed after Aarti in the night. In the morning, everything is found scattered as if someone has used it. So after evening premises, no one is allowed inside the premise. Even the monkeys leave the Nidhivan temple after evening Aarti. The native and the people who stays nearby are well aware of the miracles. After the evening Aarti, the windows in front of the Nidhivan temple gets closed till morning. Nobody can dare to see Radhe Krishna Ras Leela. Some people have heard the sound of gugurus at night. Even today, visitors will find a divine calm in the areas surrounding Nidhivan. Spread in a vast expanse of 2.5 acres, the trees in the sacred forest are of a similar shape and size, with low height and hung, intertwined branches. While some say that these trees turn into gopis during the night, others claims that these are the 16,000 queens of Sri Krishna who come alive every night. Renowned historians and scientists have visited Vrindavan to unlock the mystery of that place, but came empty-handed and was convinced that it is really a place of the Lord. It is said that the tulsi plants turned into gopis at night and dance around while Krishna performs his Ras Leela. Trees also illuminate to welcome Lord Krishna at night. There is a well located in the vicinity of Nidhivan that is said that Krishna built the well with his flute to quench the thirst of beloved Radha. If you wonder if there are any eyewitnesses to it, then it is said that the people who tried peeking into the area to find proof have been severely harmed, have lost their sight or severed mental imbalance. People residing here close down their windows and doors after the evening Aarti bells. Another mystery that surrounds the area is the rock garden, which holds the footprints of young Krishna and his calf can still be seen in the mountains, and that the huge mountains actually melted down to rocks after hearing the melodious flute tunes of Krishna. Devotees from around the world come down to Nidhivan to visit the holy abode. It certainly draws a large footfall of Krishna's followers, and tourism thrives massively in the place here. Jai Shri Krishna.